All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 172,192 miles on the odometer. This truck is really clean inside and out. You would never know it had that kind of miles on it. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. If you see any flickering on the screens here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Suspension feels good. Alignment feels good as well. Steering wheel straight, no issues there. Still gets up and goes really nice, shifting smooth. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at the fender here, you have PPF on 1/3 of the fender, 1/3 of the hood, and then the blue accents there. Looking at that flare, a couple small rock impacts. Otherwise, that's in great condition. The tread looks awesome. Here on that wheel, that looks awesome. Very, very nice. Got the shorty antenna. Now here on the paint, I do see some hard water stains. You know, probably from a sprinkler or just some rain in there just a little bit. You can see that. As far as scratches go, I don't see anything there. A couple small rock chips. You do have film on that little edge. And I mean, look at that mirror. That looks really good for the mileage. A couple light scuffs. A few small chips, but otherwise that looks really good. Typical swirls and light scuffs there on that pillar. Very common. That door's in great condition. Even getting up close, just a couple small rock impacts. Now you do have film on a couple inches here all the way around the bed, and so you do see it lifting and some dirt underneath. So that's what that is. Now that is a couple chips that are actually there. Some light scuffs on that flare. Overall looks good. That looks nice. I do see a crack right here. So if you see that flare, there is a crack forming. That wheel's in great condition. That looks good. Got the hood graphics. You're gonna see typical fading on the top there. And throughout that paint, you're gonna see the kind of hard water spots. With that film though, it did protect that edge really well. A couple rock chips here and there got through. Very minor. Typical impacts on the headlight. Here on this lower section though, you are gonna see the impacts there, very common. Just walking around that front end, looks really good. Do see a couple gashes right there that got through the film, it looks like. Fender looks good. Wheel looks awesome. Tread's perfect there. Lots of tread left. Lower rocker looks good. Couple light scuffs on the very edge. You still got the film there. That light's nice and clear. A-pillar looks good. Overall, that door is really nice. Typical swirls here. A couple light scratches right there. Got that film on the edge all the way across. You do have some scratches on that flare. That wheel looks good. You do have a deeper gash right there and there. I see some moisture in that light. Some light cracks right there. That might be why. More than likely from right here, and it's kind of bleeding down. And you got film right here. A couple dents right there as well. Tailgate applique looks good. Bumper, a couple scratches right there. Otherwise, that's a really, really clean truck for the mileage. Got the little swing thing there. Got the bed liner. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Just like the outside, you would never know this truck had the miles that it does. Bolster smushed down just a little bit here, but I don't see any rips or tears. Super soft. Very little wear on that edge. Got the Alcantara stripe here. That looks good. I mean, look at the Alcantara here. You still have the stripes in there. A little stain there. Otherwise, looks really good. Upper section nice and clean. Got the carbon. Beautiful door panel. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Very minimal though. Got the all-weather mats. All of that looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, you're going to see a little bit of wear right there. But still, for the most part, in great condition. Little scuffs here and there. Still looks really good. Gauge cluster looks nice. Here on the upper side of the dash, that looks good. Looking at that screen, nice and shiny. Don't see any scratches. Got the carbon here. That looks really good. Beautiful center console. Armrest looks nice. A little bit of wear on the Alcantara right there on that very edge. Other than that, she looks good. Very, very clean. All right, checking out that door panel. You got the carbon here. That looks perfect. Really, really clean. That trim looks good. Floor mat's nice and clean. That bolster looks pretty much perfect. Love these seats. That side of the console looks good. You got the Alcantara right here, nice and clean. Beautiful on this side. Full carbon in there. I mean, honestly, for the mileage, you would think this side maybe had 500 miles on it. It looks perfect. Here on that panel, got a small scratch right there. Otherwise, it looks good. All weather mats. Looking at the seats, beautiful Alcantara. Looks phenomenal back here as well. And then look, you got the Alcantara here across the back. Looks good. And a massive panoramic roof. On this door panel, a little light scuff there. A couple scratches and a little dent there. Looking at the seat, she's looking good. Very, very nice in here. All right, scanning through the engine bay, looking at all the plastic here. Very well protected. I don't know what year that battery is. I don't see a sticker anywhere. All of that looks good though, nice and clean. That's all in great condition. A little bit of wear on the liner. Otherwise, the underside looks good.